Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can go ahead and change color of objects on Photoshop. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, as you can see, I have a photo of this dress that I want to go ahead and change the colors of. I'm going to go ahead and unlock by double clicking on the lock, which is right there on the layer. And finally, over here, what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on this icon, which is the quick selection tool. And now you just want to go ahead and click over the dress to go ahead and select it, as you can see. And there you go, I have selected the dress. Once you have selected the object, simply go ahead over here and click on solid color. And as you can see, you can go ahead and choose any color you want. I'm going to choose something like that. And right now it's completely flat, but this is not the final result. So once I have selected the color that I like, I am simply going to go over here to the blending mode option and simply click on this and scroll all the way down until there is hue, saturation, color, and luminosity. I'm just gonna select the you can either select the color or hue, and I personally think that hue gives a way natural look, so I'm just gonna select hue. And there you go, that's how you simply change the color of an object. And if you want to play around with its brightness level, or basically if you want the color to be more lighter or darker, you can simply click down here and click on levels. And finally, once you have done that, hold Alt on your keyboard and simply click when this icon appears right here. And now what you want to do is simply scroll this away. You can simply play around with it until you like the intensity of the color, as you can see. So that is about right. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below, and if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.